Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to enable sticky header in Shopify. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page is go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on Online Store. After selecting Online Store, you will be redirected to the Themes page, and beside the theme that you're using, you're going to see Customize, and you're going to tap on Customize. After tapping on Customize, you'll be redirected to the Editor page, and this is the section on which you'll be able to make all of your changes. But what I want you to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, and right where you see Header, you're going to tap on Header. Then from here, you're going to scroll down until you see Sticky Header. Then you can tap right where you see None, and you have a few options. You can either select Unscroll Up, or you can select Always, or you can select Always Reduce Logo Size. For example, if I were to tap on Always, as you can see right here, by scrolling down, you can see that the header section is still there, as this is right here where you see JSON tests. You can see that the header section is always visible. Once you have selected your option, be sure to tap on Save in the top right hand corner to save the changes. And also, if you would like to make any other changes to the header section, you can. For example, if you would like to change the position of the logo, you could change the position of the logo right here. So let's say you want to move it to the left, you could move it to the left. Or if you want it to be in the center, you can also do that. There are numerous other options on how you can edit the header, as you can see here. You can also change around the menu section if you want, and you can also select the menu type. For example, if you want to enable drop down menu, you can do that also by tapping on drop down. That's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.